It's a miniature town, a replica of a town, where sixth graders, they learn the time-old question, what will you be or inspire to be when you grow up? And the magic part of it happens back at the schools with the professional teachers to get them ready for their day here at Junior Achievements Biztown.
We started about 6 weeks ago, not every day, but I feed it into the rest of my curriculum. But we started talking about all of the terms and the terminology and just the basics of knowing what's going to happen when they get to Biztown.
This is something that the sixth graders, they look up to. You know, their older brothers, sisters have gone through JA Biztown.
I am a senior, so it's like being here all over again because I came here in 6th grade, so it's like 6 years later I'm back again.
We've recruited over 14 high school heroes that will be here throughout the day for those sixth graders.
A lot of people got to go in like 5th grade, 6th grade, and my school didn't get to go, and so when I heard that they needed volunteers, I was like, I'll do it.
What it was like, okay, so I worked at Arby's as the CFO. I loved it. Like, I felt so professional. Like, working at Arby's, I got a feel of what it was like to be in the real world. And that's, I think, what prompted me to work at the fast food restaurant for my first job, honestly.
We're in JA Biztown, and my job is the mayor.
A DJ, working on a playlist.
I actually learning how to be a CEO. I hope I am a CEO when I grow up.
I think it's good that we're learning about this now, honestly, because if we didn't, then we would be like questioning, like, why didn't we learn this in school?
You get to be prepared for the real world, for the education you get.
Coming here would actually teach you about life.
We hear about it all year long after they've been here. It just takes them out of their everyday school life, gives them real life experiences. So just keep giving, keep doing as much as you can do to keep this program going, because it's a great program for our kids.